Okay, so just how to finish off attaching your little charms to your loops of your memory wire. Pick up your chain nose pliers and you just need to grip like most of the loop with the tools. You just need to open this up slightly. It's very tough, but you just need to open it a little bit to hook this on. And then you should be able to just tuck that back in so it's nice and secure. And then you can just attach the charm to the other end, opening the loop up just a little bit. You don't need to do it much. And bringing it back in. And you've made a memory wire bracelet. And you put these on by just hooking a bit on. And then it wraps around like that. Very easy to wear. And you've made them.